Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. You probably noticed my face is missing a little bit of makeup, and it's because today we're gonna be reviewing and creating a makeup look using some glitter pigments. So I'm gonna be reviewing Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro. I'm not really sure which one it is, but it's the same brand, so let's say it's Makeup Revolution. So I'm gonna be using their crushed pearl pigments and glitter balm to create a makeup look. So I thought it might be some fallouts, we don't know yet, so that's why I'm not wearing any makeup yet. These are still sealed. I haven't opened them yet, so I have no clue if it's pigmented or not. So I think we should just test it out on a hand first, maybe. So I got the color Last Dance, like a darker pink color. Put some in here. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, look at that. I really do hope you guys can see it. This looks amazing. We're gonna create some nice makeup look. And then this one is a crushed pearl pigments, which I really like the way it looks so far. And this one is in the color Saint. Okay, let's put this on. Ooh, can you see? Oh wow! Oh my god, I love this! Look at that, guys! Let's try this glitter balm thing. I don't think it's gonna swatch as nicely, but... So for this one, you definitely need a glitter primer first, so it would stack properly nicely on hand. Alright, so without any further ado, I think we should just start creating our makeup look. You've probably noticed I still got a few of my lash extensions left. I got it done over 2 months ago, like it's holding on forever, and it's a bit in that state there, like... So I think we're gonna start it first with Makeup Revolution Flawless for palette, and gonna kind of prime our eyes. I mean, I already prepped and primed it. I used the foundation and then I set with a setting powder. But now we're just gonna create more of a shape before using the glitter pigments. We're gonna start with this beautiful color in here and go slightly bit higher in the creases and then in the outer corner. So I'm gonna take this light color in here and go all over my mobile lid from the inner corner to middle to kind of outer corner a little bit. Basically in a place where we haven't applied any eyeshadow yet. Then I'm just gently backing it on, as you see. So next thing I'm gonna do, as I think with a glitter, I'm gonna create the eyeliner. So I'm just taking the eyeliner brush, I'm gonna spray it with a setting spray. And go with Makeup Revolution Flawless for this darker pink color, as our glitter is kind of pink. So I'm just going with this. Getting some on the brush. So I'm just gonna go very close to my lash line and draw a flick. And basically I'm gonna apply the glitter on the top of it. Alright, so the eyeshadow eyeliner is on. I think it's time to move on with a glitter. So to begin with, I'm gonna use a glitter primer one by NYX, because we've seen when I did swatch, but it needs a glitter primer. So the glitter balm in a Last Dance. Now backing it on the top of that eyeliner. Ta-da! And the eyeliner is done, so I think now I'm gonna try to apply some falsies, as my lash extensions are nearly non-existing. And later I think we're gonna use a little bit of this crushed pearl pigment Insane in the inner eye corners. And the falsies are on. So before I'm gonna do the lower lash line, I'm gonna go with a foundation. So I think I'm gonna use today, as we're using Makeup Revolution, the Makeup Revolution Fast Fix Foundation Sticks, Fast Base Foundation Sticks in color F10 and F6, as I believe this should be a good match for me at the moment, as I'm still a little bit tan. So I'm gonna mix two colors in one. So while the foundation is setting in, I think we should do our lower lash line. So I'm going back to the Makeup Revolution Flawless for palette, and I'm gonna take this grayish color and just gonna go very close to my lash line. and just blending the color out. So I'm going in the middle and then blending to the inner and outer corners, as you guys can see. Next step I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Crushed Pearl Pigment in Saint. So I think I'm gonna apply this one just in the inner eye corner, just to brighten my eye a little bit, because it's insanely pigmented. I think you guys can tell that these crushed pearl pigments are extremely pigmented. A little bit of mascara, and then we contour face and with the bead up. So what do you guys think about this makeup look? As I absolutely love this Makeup Revolution Pro, I'm not really sure which one it is, this Glitter Bomb and Crushed Pearl Pigments, because oh my goodness, super pigmented. I think I like more Glitter Bomb though, rather than Crushed Pigments. I can't really fail it because, as I mentioned, it is super pigmented. Even with, you know, Crushed Pigments, oh my god, it's a bomb. I wasn't thinking this is gonna be as pigmented as it is. I mean, you can see it's moving enough. And this one is super easy to use, but you need to have a glitter primer, because otherwise I'm pretty sure you're just gonna go all over the face, as it's not gonna stick on and hold on all day. But so far, I mean, I even managed to glue on the falsies and it's all fine. There's no fallouts, it sits perfectly on. So thumbs up from me for this Makeup Revolution Glitter Bomb and Crushed Pearl Pigments. Go get yourself one. It's the cheapest on the market for that kind of stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review tutorial video. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this makeup look and what next you would like to see on my channel. And I'll see you very soon. So bye!